here today to discuss putting an ecosystem on the moon.
We are going to propose the idea of having a temperate forest ecosystem on the moon.
We find this beneficial because a forest on the moon will have water, food, and a climate that can easily support human life and animal life. With a cool, rainy climate, they are usually located between the tropics and the polar regions.
So, if you live in the tropics or an Arctic zone, chances are you already live in a temperate forest. Plus, if you don't, it's easy to get used to because there's enough plants to make oxygen for us to breathe.
There are hundreds of different trees, many from different varieties. Also, the plants provide a home for animals and shade from the sun. Most trees in temperate forests have 4 seasons. That means they go through 4 drastic changes in climate over the course of the year.
First, in the spring, the trees are blossoming and blooming with bright, colorful flowers. But then it's the summer, and by then the leaves are outstretched, catching the rays of the sun, and the blossoms are mostly gone. Then comes fall. Then the leaves begin to change color, they become red and yellow and brown, so pretty. And then winter, it becomes cold and all the leaves fall off, and the snow falls, and the trees become dormant.
What are you doing?
I'm being a tree.
Okay, you can be a home for animals.
Timber!
The plants can also be used for building homes for animals and humans.
Annual rainfall is about 2 to 5 feet, and the soil is made up of fallen leaves and animal droppings, which fills it in with nutrients and makes it very fertile for plants to grow in. The temperate forest is full of food webs. For example, this one.
The animal life in the forest is very good. Many animals live there, such as squirrels, birds, bears, snakes, moose, and raccoons, and more. If the humans eat the animals along with the plants, then the humans can survive and so can the animals. Because their population will increase to a point where there are too much of the species that they will not spread disease. But it will also not decrease to where the animals will be extinct.
That's right. Humans and animals will get the amount of water they need from swamps.
Animals feed off each other and the plants around them, so we won't need to worry about supporting them. Humans need water, and so do the animals. And if we put temperature forests on the moon, we can get water from the swamp. So can the animals. With the amount of rainfall temperature forests have, the swamps will be able to stay swamps forever. Swamps not only provide water, they have a home for animals and insects such as frogs and flies. And the more small animals they have, the more there is for big animals to eat, and the more there is for us to eat.
So, do you think we convinced the astronauts to put a temperate forest on the moon?
I sure hope so.